Oh, hey, you're back. Guess you need some more advice. So you're struggling with your landscaping? To get the results you're looking for, you've got to balance your soil. If your soil is not balanced, you lose. Just remember the two simple words: groSMART, thinkSOIL. I struggled too. I wasted money, I wasted time, and I got discouraged. But now I've got an agronomical partner, my own landscaping coach. The groSMART system is the total package. It is unbelievable. They literally coached me. First, groSMART thinkSOIL helped me with my soil analysis. And believe me when I tell you, the information they taught me was incredible. Next, they showed me why balancing my soil was so crucial, so important to whatever I'm growing. And they gave me printed instructions that I understood. Best of all, they provided me detailed instructions, scientifically based on my own soil analysis. They told me exactly what to buy to balance my soil. They told me exactly how much to apply and exactly when to apply it. And they gave me printed instructions that I could understand. And get this, they only recommended what I needed. No waste. Take my advice. Contact the groSMART thinkSOIL people and let them be your landscaping coach. Trust their science, balance your soil, and keep it balanced. groSMART thinkSOIL. Don't just grow, grow smart. They'll change your lawn and gardening life forever.